Mentakas ngiar kundai trik Jemang arhajar pundriu Menteri Rang Ba Agajala kundat ke sangma har jadon lang sembut Menteri Rang Ba Agajala uba asam halang dhar lalai punya kenduk yu Menteri Rang Ba Agajala Assam uhimata biswa sarma ha office trigam jong u haku hati. Menteri Rang Ba Agajala long ba kene ke kenduk kalong banyak kren ya ke kepala jia mentah lapangap akaput ke jela Meghalaya bar Assam. Kumbala tip hagni sni baladep la persyang banyak kren bat kibadan benta hagne kam banweng ya kene ke jinge. Long ba kene ke kren galong basai so bat kadon ki tulang na kaliang jong ki ofsar na baro atli ki jela kantob ya ki ofsar na ki district ki bala dan lang bakin yale kumno banweng ya kene ke jinge kabadan mentah. Kau menteri Rang Ba Agajala la kuntu ya baro banyak trilang da ke jing shania marklang banwat ya ki lat klanti banweng ya kene ke jinge bat anda ke sarkar Assam kala download ya baro ki menteri sarkar kinsa beteng biang ya ke jinge kren penpit put. Menteri Rang Ba ula kren syai ba kene ke jinge kendo menda kasni kadai bet tang bat kala pangap bat kermen bakin la banyak penbet ya kene ke jinge bat pan ya ke jinge trilang na baro kiliang ha kene ke bentah.
Along with Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Snyobalang Dhar, we met Honorable Chief Minister of Assam in his office chamber in Guwahati. And the main purpose of our visit was to discuss the ongoing situation in Lapangap that's happening right now along the Assam-Meghalaya border. And as you know that there's been a lot of concerns about it. And for the last many days and in fact weeks, we have been trying to bring the different stakeholders together to resolve the issue and to find a way forward. And we had a very, very positive and a very constructive meeting. Other officials from both the state governments, including district officials, were present. And we have worked out some measures which could help us diffuse the situation. And our officials concerned will be taking steps in the next few days to try and resolve the issue. And through this particular message, I also would like to urge the people also and officials and all the stakeholders from both sides that we should work to make sure that we are able to resolve the problem. We should work in a positive manner, and we should work in a constructive manner and trust each other and work in such a manner that we can find not just a solution for the short term but also in the long run. And we have also decided that once the Assam government is fully in place in terms of all the different cabinet ministers, once the oath is taken place, that the discussions further on the larger context of the border issue will take place then. So we will take a call at that point in time for the larger context. But today's meeting was limited to the Lapangap issue, and we are very hopeful, as I said, that we should be able to resolve the situation, and we seek cooperation from all stakeholders at this point in time.